If you ever edit audio on your AirPods using Audacity, you may hear some bad audio when you first start. Here's how you get rid of the popping and crackling. So first, go to the top left and click Audacity, then Preferences. Then go down to Latency under Audio Settings. Make sure your AirPods are selected as the output device. Type 400 as your buffer length and click OK. This should take care of the popping sound on playback through your AirPods. Credit to user Olin for this tip on the Audacity Forum. Note, this tip worked for me, but may not work for everyone.